To a smaller bed than this one. Feels way bigger. As I said on the previous upload, we're gonna try to clean this up, right? It's not bad by any means, it's just dirty. I don't know what they were carrying here, you know, with the previous owner. Remember, this is a 2018, so some people were doing some stuff here. Dude, what are you doing? That's the reason why I don't think I'm gonna keep this bed. Look, this bed cover. It's cracked. You cannot tell from outside. I could not tell when I saw the truck because I didn't, you know, went underneath of it. And also, as you can see, have some Velcros that we have to remove. So very straightforward. This is the technique that I'm gonna use, right? I'm gonna use soapy water and 303. That should do the trick. Couple of microfiber towel to apply this, and this is just to clean the surface on. Make sure that today is actually a perfect day to do because it's not sunny at all. So first we need to get rid of the Velcros. Velcro's removed. I used the blower to take, you know, the big stuff out of it. Now shampoo, and we're gonna spend a lot of time scrubbing and make as clean as possible so we could apply the 303. You're gonna ask you, hey Maddie, why you didn't do this with the Colorado? I bought the truck brand new. I knew my bed was in good shape, and the most important is I had the carpet bed liner, which I love it. But since this one came with a bed liner, that's what I'm doing. And come on, this is just like small stuff that you have to do. Like you just have to do. You have to agree with me, right? So let's get to work. Water and soap. That's it. Nothing else. And maybe a brush or 2 or 3.
Perfect.
If you can tell how dirty it was, you can still see look at that, how dirty. But that's what you want. I think we're gonna get the most part. Now let's rinse, see how it is. Maybe I'll do a second time, I don't know, we'll see. I think you should do as much as you need to make sure that the surface is clean to apply the protection. I might need to turn the truck so that soap goes down. You know what I'm saying, right? There you go. I should have done that from the beginning. way better. Not perfect, but way better. So I'm gonna use this. It's all-purpose cleaner, inner cleaner. This is what I have. I think this would do because there are some spots there are not. You can see here. See some spots. So I'm gonna try to get rid of it. Let's see. The purpose of the cover is to protect the bed. That's why it's always dirty. But since I'm here, I'm gonna just put some soap on it, activate it a little bit, and wash it and let it dry. That's what I'm gonna do, nothing else. But I figure I will share with you. The weather is perfect for this, and you're asking why I'm doing this with a small brush, because I don't want to, it's already in bad shape. I don't want to put too much pressure on it, and I don't want to damage, because I cannot get a new one anytime soon. So better safe than sorry, but this does the trick though. I know you guys are wondering if the truck fits in the garage. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I already post there. I'll do some video at some point about it. In case you have a regular car garage and you want to fit a full-size truck, I got bad news for you. Now the name of the game is waiting, because we need to wait for this to dry, which already looks so much better. Of course, it's wet. When it dries, we're gonna see how that goes, right? One thing I noticed though, that I'm curious, you see, I don't know how many the camera can see. There's a light in here. There's a light in the bed. So how that lines up, we're gonna figure out that together, because I have no clue. Maybe it's the bed cover, bed light. If I heat the bed light, let's see what we got. It's not on. It's not on. Definitely it's aftermarket, because there's zip ties here. Yeah, my bed lights are working. 2 bed lights are working, right? But dude, yeah, that's a LED strip, and it's attached on the bottom. Let me see. You guys cannot see that much, neither I can. So bad I didn't got my eyes. I'm quite sure it's with the brake light though. What's wrong, dude? What is wrong with you? Hey, come on here. Come here. Okay, there's only one way to figure out. I'm gonna hit the brakes, but I'm by myself. I'm gonna see. I'll watch. Well, 2 things. I had to wait like, I don't know, 24 hours. And the reason why I didn't put the truck back there, it's because there's no sun today. So you can see a few clouds, but not sunny. And as you can see, as expected, it's kind of back where it was, but it's clean, right? But right now, what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna try to use the 303. As far as I could see, this thing here is gonna work very, very well. We're gonna see. I'm gonna try to apply like half of the bed, and the way you do is you spray. I'm gonna use 2 towels for it. So now let's apply this thing and see how that goes.
Perfect.
This thing is legit. Look at that. It's like a brand new bed liner. I knew that would not help just washing, but to apply this product, you really need to have a clean bed. So that's why I wait to dry, because it has to be dry. Then you can get results like this. Look at this. Oh my goodness, dude, I couldn't be happier. These small things that make your truck even better. This truck is not bad at all by any means, but look at the difference. If you show somebody the truck like this and like this, you know what I'm saying? Like, that means that you really take care of your stuff. That means it is a truck you use as a truck, but keep clean is the key. Look at that, dude. Oh my God, so happy. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Maybe I'll apply on the cover too. What do you guys think?
Perfect.
Yeah, the badge is ready. Look at that, dude. I mean, I know a lot of you guys are like, my truck is a truck. Does it really matter though? If you keep clean all the time and you put some protection, this is like a protection, right? I'm not saying that I'm not gonna do anything with my truck, but it's gonna be easier if one day I put some stuff like, you know, mulch or something like that. It's gonna be easier. It's gonna maintain, you know. I'll watch and see how that goes for like months to come, and I'll do that again and that again. So the badge is always clean, dude. I'm so happy with this. And I apply on the bed cover as well. Look at the difference though. I just did half so you guys can see. Look at that. And this thing is not greasy at all though. At all. Look, it's like, it's the same, like there's nothing. You know, and even on the bottles say no greasy, right? So I think we're safe here, but I'll keep you posted on the long run. Definitely looks better. The truck is gonna look so much better. Hey, why are you crying, dude? I'm cleaning here and you are helping me. You should be happy, not crying. He wants to go for a walk. It's time for a walk. So I'll get you guys when I put everything back together and we see the final thing, right? Cover is back on, and dude, look at how shiny it is, and it's not greasy at all. Of course, I'll let it dry, and let's do this. I'll wait like 2 days so we can do the close of this video, because I don't think it's fair to show like on the, you know, on the application day. Let's call application day. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in a couple days, but for you, a couple seconds. It has been like 4 days, actually, not 2 days, 4 days. And I just got the window stand. I just came back getting the window stand. It looks so much better. So much better. I figured I'd show you guys here because, dude, showing a window stand process is like... So I pay 150 bucks for both. And now I'm debating if I should do the windshield or not. So that's it. That's the new... addition to the truck. So we're getting there. So the badge, right? Because that's why we are here. As you can see, we are facing that smoky day coming from New York. So has not been rainy or anything. Let me grab a microfiber towel. Hold on. Welcome to my detailing stuff. So I'll grab a microfiber towel here, right? Just so we can tell. By the way, coming soon, paint correction, right? As I said, it has been like 4 days, not rainy at all. A lot of smoke in the air, and here it's how it is. See, there's there's not, look, there's nothing in the towel. I'm just wiping. So that's how it looks like when I wipe, right? Look at that. And it's too shiny, as you can see. I'm gonna finish later because this video is getting too long. And in the back, as you can see, it's pretty the same way because it has been covered, and the shine is still there. A lot of people gonna ask if it's slippery. It's the same feeling that was before though. Didn't change anything. Let me see if I can open here. There you go. See, same thing. So there you have. I really recommend if you're doing this because you just saw the protection on the cover. 303, perfect. Look at the shiny after 4 days. Of course, that's just, it is what it is here in New Jersey. Probably last 4 weeks, no rain at all. So this is pretty bad for my allergies, to be honest. But look, you know what I'm saying? A towel and that's it. I'm pretty bad with allergies though. I hope you guys enjoy this how to clean up your bed liner. Doesn't really matter which truck it is, and let me know if if that was helpful. Let me know if you are planning to do this with your truck. I think you should. Again, we use the truck as a truck. I know that, but like a ceramic coat, you apply ceramic coat to make your washing process easier. That's the goal I was trying to achieve that, and I think I did. So I want to show you guys after a few days with no rain, a lot of smoke in the air. So the bed cover especially was exposed, but the bed liner is still pretty clean. The shine and the protection are there after a couple of days. I will show you guys on the long run, so that's why I think you should subscribe. Consider subscribe so I can keep you posted and more stuff coming. So thank you so much for watching. If you are here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. I'll catch you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.